Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word.
L'esprit de l'escalier.
Which means the feeling of thinking of a witty comeback too late to use it effectively. Let's say it all together.
L'esprit de l'escalier.
One more time.
L'esprit de l'escalier.
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one.
L'esprit de l'escalier.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.